Reynisfjara are basalt the mountain Reynisfjall near the village Vik í Mýrdal in southern Iceland. It is framed by a black sand beach that was ranked in 1991 as one of the 10 most beautiful non-tropical beaches in the world. In 2021 Reynisfjara was rated the 6th best beach in the world. Legend says that the stacks originated when two trolls dragged a 3-masted ship to land unsuccessfully, and when daylight broke, they became needles of rock. Contemporary legends note the story of a husband who found his wife taken by the two trolls, frozen at night. The husband made the two trolls swear to never kill anyone ever again. His wife was the love of his life, whose free spirit he was unable to provide a home for. She found her fate out among the trolls, rocks, and sea at Reynisfjara. Reynisfjara appears several times throughout Netflix's Icelandic original series Katla, and is particularly significant to the series' protagonist Grima as the site of her mother's death. Iceland might not be the first place that comes to mind when you think of beaches, but there's no denying the beauty and drama of its rugged coastline. You won't see palms or white sand here. In Vik, the sand is black as caviar and the beach is dotted with soaring basalt columns, which, in our opinion, makes it all the more special and beautiful.